As soon as we start earning or getting regular income, we want to invest and safeguard our future. But there are many limitations, like knowledge about the markets and investment options, time of entry or exit, and we may even be swayed by our emotions. Many times we are busy with our friends, family, jobs, and other things. We may not be able to devote time to savings and investing. The destination is the same, but you can have multiple routes to reach the destination. The destination here is accumulating a corpus to safeguard your future. And the route here is investing in the SIP mode. So इस वीडियो में देखते हैं कि SIP क्या होती है, इसके क्या benefits होते हैं, and who is this suitable for. This is a very important video with all the information you need to know about SIP. So do not miss out. SIP यानी Systematic Investment Plan. SIP is an investment mode to invest in mutual funds. By the word itself, it is systematic. That means it can be daily, weekly or monthly. मंथली का ये मतलब है आप हर महीने एक डेट डिसाइड करके सेट करके इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं इन अ पर्टिकुलर फंड। लेकिन आने वाले महीनों में प्राइस जो भी हो, आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट हर महीने उसी डेट पे उसी फंड में होगी। Let's take XYZ fund as an example here and see how an SIP would have worked out. मान लो आप इस XYZ फंड में 10,000 की SIP कर रहे हैं for 10 years. इसका मतलब आपका टोटल इन्वेस्टेड अमाउंट आ जाता है अराउंड 13 लाख रुपीस। मान लो इस 10 सालों में इस फंड ने 14% रिटर्न्स जनरेट किया है। आपका टोटल एक्यूमुलेटेड अमाउंट आ जाता है अराउंड 26.20 लाख, जो डबल से भी ज्यादा है। बस यही स्टोरी खत्म नहीं होती। लेट्स सी SIP के मेन बेनिफिट्स क्या होते हैं। रुपी कॉस्ट एवरेजिंग, इतना टेक्निकल टर्म सुनकर डर गए? डोंट वरी, ये बहुत ही सिंपल टर्म है। मान लो एक फंड की NAV ₹10 है एंड यूर इन्वेस्टिंग ₹1000. This means you'll have 100 units under your investment account. यही अगर NAV बढ़ के ₹12 हो जाए, तो अगले महीने SIP जाते समय आपके अकाउंट में इस 1000 के लिए सिर्फ 83 यूनिट्स मिलेंगे। फिर मान लो अगले महीने मार्केट गिर गया और फंड का NAV हो गया ₹8, तब आपको आपके 1000 रुपीज के SIP में 125 यूनिट्स अलॉट होंगे। हुई ना मजे वाली बात? To put this in short, your fixed SIP amount will buy you more units when the markets have fallen and fewer units when the markets have risen. इसका क्या फायदा? आपको मार्केट्स को टाइम करने की टेंशन बिल्कुल नहीं लेनी पड़ेगी। मार्केट्स बढ़े या गिरे, आपका SIP इन्वेस्टमेंट सारा कुछ अब्सॉर्ब कर लेगी। Power of compounding. This term sounds interesting, right? And powerful maybe? Let's take an illustration to see how compounding works. Suppose you invest ₹1000 and उस पे आपको 10% का रिटर्न्स मिलता है, तो टोटल आता है ₹1100, यानी 100 रुपीज के रिटर्न्स। अब instead of only continuing the initial 1000 as your investment, the returns also get reinvested. That means the next time, assuming the same rate of return, you'll earn 10% on this ₹100 also, bringing the total accumulated amount to ₹1210, and this continues. In short, you'll earn returns on your returns, and that, my friend, is the power of compounding. Low initial investment. Lump sum requires huge amounts to start with, and इतने बड़े अमाउंट के साथ स्टार्ट करना डरावना हो सकता है, वो भी इतने वोलेटाइल मार्केट में। SIP में आप 100 रुपीज जितने छोटे अमाउंट के साथ भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द म्यूचुअल फंड। You can also diversify your SIP to get the best of various asset classes. Flexibility. SIPs can be modified as per the needs and requirements of the individuals. For example, a particular month you have additional expenses and you're not able to invest. You can either pause or stop the SIP for the time period and restart the SIP investment as per your comfort. There is no hard rule that once you start, you have to continuously invest every month. Discipline. Investing using the SIP mode instills some discipline in individuals. Regular SIPs ensure that an individual develops a regular habit of saving and investing. इससे एक इंसान एक बेटर पोजीशन में होता है जहां वो अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट्स को टाइम के साथ ग्रो कर सकता है with the potential to beat inflation when choosing market-linked investment options. SIPs are a very good choice that also serves as a protection against market fluctuations. It protects you against major market corrections by acquiring more units at a lower NAV. Moreover, it is a simpler plan as it does not require major analysis to time the market, which is required during lump sum investments. आपको एंट्री के टाइम की फिक्र करने की जरूरत नहीं है. SIP provides you with a simplicity of choice. This might be the right investment mode if you're a beginner or you want to start investing small but you want to gather a good corpus. Happy investing!
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.